How's it going, everyone? I'm back with another unboxing. This is a unboxing of the Elgato Wave 3, if I'm not mistaken. This is the new microphone for me for my setup, gaming setup, or Twitch streaming. Yep. There it is, the Wave 3. Heard great things about this mic with its anti-clipping, zero latency. You can read it right here. It's very, heard it's a very good mic, especially the program that utilizes the hardware. It's amazing. And I will definitely do a review and show you how it looks in my setup. Okay, let's open it up though. Let's check it out. Closed my knife. Sorry. Let's try this out. There we go. 1, 2. Open that up. Close this up. Don't want to cut myself. Again, safety first. Again, that's beautiful packaging. I kind of like that. I always like the blue with the Elgato products. Oh, it's a box within a box. Great. Nice. You have the Elgato symbol, logo there. Put this over here. I'll put it over here to the side so you can see the packaging. Get in there, close. There we go. And let's open this up and see what we got inside. Nice. This is really nice packaging. We have the instructions how to connect and download the program, the software for the mic. What's this? The USB Type A to Type C cable. Nice. It looks like it's a really long length for the cable. Nice long length. What's this? The instruction manual. Super small writing in this book. What's in here? Oh, this is the actual mount for the boom arm, which I will be using. What else is in the box? Paper, cardboard, cardboard holding for recycling. Let me see, what's this? Let's take out the mic. This is the main event right here. This has been sold out for a long time. Look at that. Look at that beauty right there. It has pretty good weight. This base actually comes off. And there you go. This is really weighted. And then you would connect this to the Elgato and connect it to your boom arm. In the front it has mute, volume. It has different selections. Every time you press the button, it will select a different selection, and then you can control the volume. On top is a mute button. On the back is the USB Type-C connector and the headphone jack. So I would definitely be testing this out. If you have any questions on anything about the microphone that you might want to know, I will leave a comment or a question down below, and I will definitely get back to you. This is also, this bracket here, it's plastic. It's mostly all plastic, except for the grill. But it's pretty hefty. Pretty hefty. I'm gonna definitely do a review on this. Let's put this back on. Come on, get in there. There you go. Man, that's hefty. Okay. Anything else in the box? No. I like that you use a lot of cardboard for recycling. Alright. Again, this is the Elgato Wave 3. If you have any questions, I will definitely have the link below on where I got it. I got it from Best Buy. If I find any other locations where it's cheaper than Best Buy, I'll make sure I'll link it down below. Again, if you have any questions about it or anything, leave your question down in the comments below. And I guess I'll see you in the next one.